Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix no permission enable voice typing Gboard in your Android. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing no permission to enable voice typing while trying to voice type in your Gboard, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you just need to open the Play Store, then type here Gboard. Then check whether your Gboard is up to date or not. If it is not up to date, then update it from here. After updating, then go back, then tap on settings, scroll down, you can see here apps, tap on the apps, tap on see all apps, tap on this search menu, then type here Gboard. Just tap on this Gboard. Once tap on force stop, tap on OK. After that you can see here storage and cache. You just need to tap on this, tap on clear cache. After that you can see here clear storage, just tap on this. Before tapping delete, you have to read this carefully. This app's data including files and settings will be permanently deleted from this device. After reading this carefully, if you want to tap on delete, you can delete it. After that, then go back, tap on the permissions. You have to allow all the permissions. You can see some of the permissions has been allowed, some of the not allowed. Just select the permission which is not allowed, just tap on allow, then close this window. That's it guys. After doing these settings, hope your issue will be resolved. So in this way you can fix no permission to enable voice typing in your Gboard. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.